And this is my teddy that's gonna help me. And today I'm gonna open this massive dino egg and smash it onto the floor. So fun.
This is so fun. So excited. Oh my. This is so fun. Wrap it all up in once. Oh my. It's a lot to wrap. Smaller. Now it's getting bigger. Why? It's come alive. I need help. Oh my help is gone. The world. Yes, I saw. It's so annoying when you have to do this. Shall I just do this? Just there.
Yay! Let's smash it. But first we have to take this off. Now it's finished. Now let's smash it. What if we got... Whoa. Whoa. Actually smashed. What's gonna be in this whole packet? We have to see. We have to find out. Because this is really fun to see what's gonna be in here. I'm not even joking, it's I'm so happy. Let's just rip it. Oh my. Whoa. What is this? I just want to know everything what's in this here. Whoa. What's happening? How many eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, that's a lot. Oh my dino dirt. Ew. Who will ever want to smell dino dirt? Okay. And who will like glowing slime? That's so cool. Who will like fizzy lava? Ooh! And I don't know what these are, but it's so cool. And I said, Putty, it's so funny and it's so funny at the front because look at his face. It's so funny. Let's smash these eggs into pieces. Come on, guys. No way. Whoa! It's a blue dinosaur with red eyes and black eyes. Look! Ooh, so scary. The first deck has been done. What did you get next? Whoa! It's a silver rhino, and that with like a vomit going out of his mouth. It's so I think this is going to be a legendary one. I'm so excited! Oh my! I have to do harder. What? An egg walking when it's not even grown. I think it's actually hatching. Look at it. Look at its mouth. It's so funny. It's just like zigzags, not like the other dinosaurs. Okay, next one. This is my fourth one. A silver. I don't know what this dinosaur's called, but it's so cool. I'm really excited because I've got 2 silver ones now. Whoa. I've got 4 pets with me. Whoa, a snail. Look at it, it's so funny. Oh my. Now to the last one. Now this is my sixth. I don't know what this is, but we're going to find out later. Shall we smash this out, guys? Shall we put it in here? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my, this is hard to open. Oh. No way. I already see the character. Look. And it's so slimy. Shall we open it? Which side shall we do from? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 on each side. So I'm ready to open it, and I'm gonna get a skeleton dinosaur, and I have to sort it out. This is so slimy. Get out, Freezer. Oh my, it's like slime. It's slime, literally. It wants to prank us. No, stop pranking us, dinosaurs. Please. It's so sucky. Oh my, I already cracked one of the bones. So scary. We have to clean it one day, I think. Get off! It's really obvious. It's really funny how it doesn't get off. Found two parts. I think I'm gonna find another parts in the another ones. Oh my. Oh my, how much slime is there? It's gonna take forever to get this out. Oh my. This slime feels really good. And this is the pieces that I found. I found 2 hands and 1 leg. 1, 2, 3. Okay, come on. Let's open. Glowing slime. This is gonna be so cool. And this is gonna be the amazing part in this one. Come on, let's open it. Oh my, you have to take it in this bowl. Oh my, so slimy. Okay. Oh my, ew. Take the slime off it. Too slimy. I already nearly found this. I found this part now. Put it here. Now, I need to find another part. Too slimy. Get out of here. Get out of this. You're my imagination. So, don't stop. Oh my. Get this out. Off. Get this off. Oh my. That was a lot of slime. More than the other one. Oh, look. Don't you forget. Whoa. So stretchy. Oh. I'm going to show you how many pieces I've got in this one. Okay. I've got 3 again. Now, this is the last one. I'm going to put it in this bowl. Okay. I'm really like, we've got to open this packet. It's not actually dirt. It is actually yellow sand. They tricked me. They've got really good pranks. Get this out. I'm not joking. Look, it's so like strong. No, I found the biggest face ever. No, that has to go there, definitely. Now another piece. Whoa. Hi. This is so big. I have to get all of the sound out. I think there's no more in, just a tiny bit. Look at this. These 2 big pieces. I know what you do with these. And I'm going to put the fizzy lava in the water and the fossil rock in the water. And we have to dig to find stuff. Come on, let's go. Woo! Let's rush now. Yay! I'm really excited now. Come on, let's put it in. Oh my, it's exploded! Literally! No. Now this one's just relaxing. Nice and comfortable. Oh my. I'm gonna pop one on there. Actually, yeah. Boink. I think it's ready to come off now. Let's put it. Yeah. Phew. Now we're gonna dig out. And we have to wash it as quick as we can. Oh my. Now I'm going to need this hammer to dig this. Oh my. Just dig it down. But it's going to splat everywhere. Oh my. What's happening? It took a long time to dig. Now let's clean the dirt off. Do a little mudge, big mudge. It's nearly done. I found all of the dinosaur parts now. I'm going to put them all together. Okay. This should go with this. I don't know that much about dinosaurs, but I'm quite surprised. This part. It's this part because it hasn't. It's really difficult. I'm not joking. Let's see on the sheet. Okay, I have to do the mouth with this first. Okay. It's not stretchy. I just finished the skeleton dino. Look, it's so big and so heavy. I can't even hold it myself. And you will find these when you have one. Whoa. Look, It's so wonderful. And why would you want to open this? Because look how much slime there is. One small one and one big one. It's a lot. Even how much sand? Look, that's so much. Even look over there. There's millions of sand and brick. And this is the end of the video. Like, share, and hit that notification bell and subscribe. Bye!